What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another PK Adventure episode. Today I'm really excited to show you guys this new product from Rockbrook. This is their camping storage table box. So this thing here is a game changer, especially if you love outdoors, camping or overlanding, or even going on a beach on a weekend or even on a lake to go fishing. This box here is for you. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and also I will show you guys how to put everything together. But before anything else, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. But enough with the talking, let's go ahead and start opening the box. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna install this molded panel that goes right here. So you have four holes here, actually six. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're gonna attach this one right here, and then you have 6 screws or bolts. So now that this panel here is installed, we are going to go ahead and install the side table right here. So this one here actually goes on the side. So the way it works, it has these knobs right here at the bottom. So what you do is you adjust these, because this part right here will be, you're gonna have to clip it onto this side of the table here. So it's pretty much gonna be doing it like this. See these knobs right here? So you're gonna, that's the one that's gonna be holding it right here. So you adjust these until you make the actual table straight. So that's the one that's gonna make it sturdy or not move. So now we are going to install this side. So same thing, you have these knobs right here, so you just adjust it again. You have to clip it on this side of this box right here. that on, and like I said, adjust the bottom piece to make it more straight and stable. Okay, so now that we have pretty much the molded panel here, we have two of the side tables. We are going to pretty much this one here, you're just gonna put it on top. So you put these three panels here. So you have this panel, and you also have this one here. And then you have your third one, which is this one right here. Just put it right here in the middle. So that's pretty much it. So now you have your table, and you have a storage underneath where you can put your mini stove, propane tank, or whatever you want to use this for. This is a great feature right here. Once you remove these, you can just grab whatever's underneath, and you can use this one here as a tabletop. And you also have this table right here or an extender. So next one here, these poles right here. This is actually going to be your lamp post, where you could actually hang a like a mini lantern. This one here is actually a great material. It looks like it's a carbon fiber look. It really looks so nice, pretty light. And this one here, there's another part that comes with it. I'm not really sure what this one is for, so I guess we will find this out later. The way we are going to connect these, this is the very top part of the lantern post. So what you do is you remove these, and then pretty much you just put this here on this part, and you lock it with this one here. Okay, so since we already have everything here, so what we need to do first is this end right here. So you remove the bottom piece, and this thing right here must be facing up, since you're gonna connect all these poles. So you grab one of these things, you put it underneath this hole, and you pretty much put your pole here and tighten the bottom up. So you have your one post here. You can connect another post if you want to make it a little bit higher. So you attach this right here, and now you have to connect your very top piece on top. So just keep turning it to make it tight, and then you can just adjust this very top part right here. You can loosen this up right here, and you can turn these wherever you want, so you can hang your lantern right here. So remember our lamppost earlier? So I just figured what this thing is for. This is actually an extra platform that you can attach between the poles for your lamppost. So it will serve as like a platform like this, so you can put something on top of it, or you can even hang some of your utensils or whatever it may be that you can use this for. So, and also, instead of putting the lamppost all the way out here on the side of the table, I think it is better to install it here on the inner edge of the side table. So let me go ahead and put everything together so I can show you how it looks. And then this one here could actually go right here. Then of course we're gonna put the very top right here. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. See this platform right here? So you could hang something right there, and also instead of putting the lamppost here on the very edge of the side table, I think it's better to mount it right here on this inner edge of the side table. So it's gonna look like this. So see how you have a platform right there? But again, yeah, look at that. So that's like one of the great things that I really like about this table right here. Okay, so once you're ready to pack everything up, you have all your pouches right here for all the the side table, tabletop here, and also for your lamp post. So I will show you guys how to pretty much disassemble everything. So we're gonna start by removing your lamp post. So we got this platform right here, and so we're gonna unscrew everything out. There you go. And then we're just gonna remove the top piece right here, so we can remove the actual hanger for the lamp. And then just put this thing back on, and same thing on the bottom end. So just unscrew everything out. Okay. And then you say you have your pouch right here for these accessories. First, we're gonna put the extra panel or platform for the post. And you have your post right here. Put all these together in here. Fits, and I believe this one here can go right here. There you go. And then you close this one here. So you got a pouch for your lamp post. And then next, I believe these are all the same sizes. So we're gonna put the side table on this pouch. There you go. And I'm gonna remove the other side table. There you go. Pouches, and lastly we are gonna remove these thing here on top. So we're gonna start on the middle piece. Just grab both on the side. One, and then there you have it. So you got these, and like I said, you can either store this one on top of everything that you already have here. And just gonna show you how it looks like inside a box with all these things stored on its pouches. So imagine if you still have, let's say you have all your stuff in there, you can pretty much put it on top of it, but just gonna kind of give you guys an idea how it looks. So you still have plenty of room that you can fill this with, some items that you might need to store inside of it. So yeah, that's how it looks. So let's go ahead and close everything up so you can actually see how it looks when everything is closed up. So we got that, and what we gotta do next is pretty much just close this down. And on this one here, you do have a lever at the bottom right here where you could just push up, and then you can just fold this down. And there you guys have it. So everything's folded down. This one here, you're just gonna lock the actual latch right there. Cool. And then the last step, you do have two legs down here. So you're just gonna fold down the legs. Side, just fold it down. And then there you guys have it. So everything's folded up. Everything is stored and organized neatly inside a box. So it just turned into, just a storage box. So there you guys have it. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you think that this video help you to decide whether you want to purchase this box or not. Make sure to visit Rockbrook Outdoors on their website. They also have an Instagram page, Rockbrook Official. So hit them up on Instagram and also visit their website. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.